Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Microtel Inn Suites by Wyndham Cherokee. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free Wi-Fi, free parking and a non-smoking rooms. Located off Highway 441, this pet-friendly hotel is 1 mile from Harrah's Cherokee Casino. It features a daily continental breakfast and on-site laundry facilities. Guest rooms offer free Wi-Fi. A cable TV and a coffee maker are provided in each room at Microtel Inn Suites by Wyndham Cherokee. Select rooms feature upgraded amenities such as a microwave, refrigerator, and spa bath. Downtown Cherokee and Oconaluftee Islands Park are each within 2 miles of Cherokee Microtel Inn Suites by Wyndham. Sequoyah National Golf Club is a 17-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.